You searched how to buy shares of Randstad Holding NV, a global staffing and human resources services company listed on Euronext under the ticker RAND.NV. This video is for educational purposes only and does not provide financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro here as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you'll need to verify your account, typically with a photo ID, and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search box to find the company by name or ticker. Type RAND.NV and select the matching Randstad Holding NV listing on Euronext. On the asset page, check basic company information and review the price chart to confirm it is Randstad Holding NV. Make sure the exchange shows Euronext and the ticker RAND.NV before proceeding. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be pending or scheduled, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before finalizing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. Check the description for the link to eToro if you want to follow the same steps shown.